Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a little trip to see just what the weather's like out there. Here we go. Yes, listen to that. Here we go. Gotta love that four-wheel drive. Gotta come to a stop for safety, even though there's nobody out here. Here we go. Don't try this at home unless you're a trained professional. Okay, it's getting too cold to hold that out there, so we're gonna do the rest on the inside. I love this part of the weather. This is why you buy a truck that has four-wheel drive. Or a car with traction control, whichever one suits you. A little slushy, a little slippery. We see somebody going real slow. We have to respect that. I'm doing 25, so just to let you know, I'm not really going fast. See? It's really not too bad out here. To pass or not to pass? To pass or not to pass? To pass. Oh Lord, he's going slower. Why is he going slower? Just drive, dude. He ain't gonna hit you. Let's go, Doogie. Drive the car. You gonna make us stall out or whatever. As you can see, my road rage kicks in even in the snow. So as you know, road rage is it's seasonal. No, it's every day. Here we go. He looked like he's looking for the gas station, but I'm like, why are you out here? Oh, this is where I live, by the way. So this is how we do up here. Ooh, we see a car over there pulling out. All right, okay. All right, here we go. What are we doing here? Is he getting on? Where's he going? Okay, we're gonna go around him. We're gonna go around that car and we're gonna continue our drive. I'm kinda slipping a little bit. You know what they say, icy bridges. So now I'm not even gonna step on the gas. I'm gonna let the bridge take me over it. That's how you up there, a little bit of slippage. A little bit of slippage. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt to get on the highway. We have to find the line. There it is. We found the line. Oh, let me put some. There we go. Okay, we're gonna wait for the light to turn. Here we go. Now let's get on 400. Let's see what we got going on here. Here we go. Ooh, watch this slide. You see how I took that slide? I'm a professional at this. This is the part that you talk about, we northerners, and how we adapt to the cold in this weather. This is what this means. We can drive in it, but we don't go outside butt naked in it. Here we go. Let's see if I get stuck out here. Then this video will really get interesting. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this road. It's probably slick and icy, but other than that, it's pretty nice. Now at this time, lines don't really mean anything. What you want to do is just get somewhere comfortable and ride it. I know that sounds kind of fresh or whatever, but I didn't mean it to. As you can see, other people have to go to work. I'm at work right now. Not too bad at all. I could imagine last night it probably was scarier. I'm doing about 40, so I'm not really driving fast at all. Actually, there's a couple of trucks behind me. Now this person took the, you're fine, you don't have to move over, I'll go around you. It's all good. Shout out to Toyota. The Corolla's doing this thing this morning. I think technically I'm on the shoulder. Yeah, I was on the shoulder. Okay, we're gonna get off this exit here, or else I'll be going to the outlet, and the Timberland store is in Oakland right now, so I might have took this at a little faster rate getting off than I wanted to, but it's okay. All this is being done by one hand. One hand on the camera, one hand on the wheel. Okay, I'm gonna pump the brakes. I'm pumping the brakes, I'm pumping the brakes, I'm pumping the brakes, pumping the brakes. This is where pumping your brakes really comes into play. I stopped. California stopped, that is. This is where I go and get my groceries. Zaxby's over there. As you can see, we're coming up on another right turn. McDonald's is closed down, but QT is in the building. See, gas $2.99. We went into a little slide. There's my Wendy's where I get my famous sea salt fries. Shout out to the Comcast vehicles that's out right now. There was a Comcast vehicle that was behind me, making sure we have our intranets. So if the light turns red, should I stop? I guess. This part right here is about to be fun, ladies and gentlemen. This is straight ice. So what you're about to see could be, I don't know, me running off the road. That's hot right there. I guess the defroster has done its job. Shout out to the truck on the other side of the road. Shout out to the person that's walking all the way down there. I would stop, but I watched too many scary movies, and yeah, evidently he wanted to be out here walking. I don't want to mess that up for him. Let me just slow down. I hate to accidentally tap him. Oh, he's on the sidewalk or something. Shout out to the person that just made it home. As you can see, we ran into a little bit of turbulence. If anything, my mud flaps, that's my mud flaps catching all the extra snow. Shout out to the couple that's walking around. There we go. Had a little bit of slippage. Here we go. Shout out to the Chevrolet, little mini car joint. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. A little bit of slipping. A little bit of slipping. That is me pumping the brakes on this curve. Yeah, want to make sure we take the curve at a up. Shout out to the GMC crew. Waved at each other. Shout out to the people that was at the club and got stranded. Yes, they're stranded. I switch hands. Shout out to the lady driving in the snow. I see you. Shout out to the stop that I just made at the red light. $30 miles an hour, so everybody sees you. Now, there's some, I don't know how these people are going to get to their houses that live up in this area. I'll show you what I mean. Up, there you go. See, look at that. How they do that, I don't know. Okay, they were able to make it. What about down there? Look at that. Yes. I was actually driving no hands. Come back in here. We got the truck coming head to head at us. It's okay, sir. I will move over and gladly move over. Yeah, shout out to my mans right there. Peace out, homie. I forgot we were on the bridge. I should have slowed down. Remember to slow down on bridges. Icy mirror curve. It does occur. Oh, here we go, y'all. This is the part I'm gonna love. This is how I get home every day. But now it's gonna be interesting. A dipping right turn. Wasn't as okay, cool. A little bit of slippage. All right, we on the back stretch of this drive here. Shout out to the person that invented wiper blades. I wonder if I could have did this in two-wheel drive. I'm gonna need that bird to move. Okay, thank you. Shout out to the people that don't have to go to work today. Pump my brakes. Oh, here we go into to my subdivision, or where I live. It's not mine. If it was mine, my mortgage be free. Okay. A little slide into the turn. Shout out to the people that don't use their garages. Don't use their garages. Shout out to our swimming pool, both of them. Tennis courts. Tennis anyone? Up, here we go. These are my neighbors that don't use their garages for whatever reason. Shout out to the little man that's trying to shovel the snow. I see you. He's serious about that. I see you, little man, with his little shovel. We're going to take that turn just to get a little slide. Oh, you see that slide I just did? Yeah, that's called an executed turn slide. Shout out to people that have dogs and have to walk them. That's why I don't have a dog. My computers are fine. I don't have to walk them. So this concludes the tour. As you can see, I'm back at the house. Appreciate y'all for this. Let me back in. You know, when you back in, you have to have a moment of silence. Bless.